Hey guys.
Justin, it's not even daylight yet.
Huh?
Wait a little bit, cut. Okay. Can't even see, Kay?
Cindy,
What, Ron?
7:30.
Get him, go. Okay, give us a minute, Justin, okay? I've been up all night.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's the lid on?
Hurry up, son. Go start the fire.
Okay.
You want to take that nice pretty stuff? Huh? You want to take that nice pretty?
Your dad's a hillbilly. It's a military backpack. I got it on the base.
Ooh. Big.
Yeah, for your new books at school.
Oh, it's for school.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, slightly less interesting, but okay. SOC. SOC. Or O. No, that's a C. That's it. It says SOG. Or SOC.
See why you need that thing?
What?
Learn to read.
Huh.
You light on your camera came on too. Huh?
Yeah. I put it on automatic. Okay.
So what do you think it was?
Huh?
What do you think it was?
Full body armor.
Huh?
I thought it was full body armor.
You were inspecting that, huh?
Uh-huh.
But that's pretty cool. That's pretty funny. Now you're on it. Alright, let me go start. What about you? Come on.
Don't be discouraged by the no pressure. Just you're ripping it wrong.
There's a certain way to rip Christmas paper?
Of course. What do you? Where do you live? Where do you live, man? You live in a cave or something?
Yeah.
Weirdo.
At least my cave has electricity though.
Don't even go there.
At your house?
Yeah. Everywhere's got electricity.
Except for Blanchard.
Out there.
Well, we're going to put fan on electric bill. We don't need it. We have more good family time at night without electricity.
Yeah, well, I sleep at night, so. Oh, cool.
Let's see, Tom.
Now I saw your collection in your room, so I decided to let you add on to it.
Ballroom Classic, City of Roses.
Did I leave
Cool.
the price
Yeah,
tags
I
on
broke a
there?
lot of glasses this year.
You did? How?
Huh? Just dropped them out of my truck or lost them.
What? Okay.
Well, these I gave you these for
That's
collection, John. Not for
Well, I'm gonna drink it.
not for breaking.
Take the price off of them, Justin.
I forgot. Okay.
That's okay. It's not a big deal.
Stop talking, Dad.
I put some snow there.
You have a favorite.
What? Bud Light?
White lager beer, yeah.
There's Bud Light too.
Another more, huh?
Yeah, there should be about 6.
Damn. You can't have these.
Now be careful with them, John. So who's
Oh,
at your apartment right now?
Schoolhouse
Nobody?
Brewery, we're all about beer. That's cool. Huh?
Who's at your apartment now? Nobody?
Just Jordan and your mom. I think I like this one the most. That's a cool one. Oktoberfest, Harrison, Idaho, 2015. Cool. Thanks, Justin.
Yeah. It's the best I could do on such short notice.
What? You knew Christmas was going to be here. All
Dad?
Yeah, you had like
advance.
364 days to prepare.
Yeah, John, no one asked you at all, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's not one more in there? Maybe there was just 5. Thought I bought 6.
Oh, this is Housewives on the
That's a
sticker.
coffee mug there.
Okay, well, why don't you wrap them back up and put it back in there before
that's
they fall?
okay. It's coffee.
Or put them all back in there.
You gotta lock it up. I want one of those, like a Guinness glass. One of those.
will all fit in here now.
Wait a minute, never mind.
Is that, whose is that, Justin?
It's mine, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't have a name tag on
Yeah,
it.
all your presents
That
are,
one's down.
all your presents are on Amazon right now, so yeah.
Hurry up, open it.
Okay.
No, you just contribute to my dishwasher.
Okay.
Huh? We could do that.
That's what my presents we're gonna go over to one.
Ah! Open.
Justin, you should not be shaking
Yeah, hold the
anything.
camera, please. Did I say?
I'm not used to holding the camera, so I'm not sure how well I'll do.
I'm gonna have to open up a freaking window here.
Dad's on the other side.
Oh, they
You
do
What's that?
new shoes.
yeah.
Oh, cool.
I think you might fit me.
No, I really don't
I can
think so.
stretch them out a little bit.
You like them?
Yeah. That's all right.
Again,
Okay, don't take the price off. See if they fit you. They're size 8.
They're size 8. Yeah, they fit.
You like them?
Yeah.
Good.
Pretty snug too.
Why don't you go get one of those boxes for John?
Okay. Which ones?
I'll give him one of yours. We didn't know he was coming, so just give him one of yours.
No. No, they.
Huh?
Oh, yes, he did. Shoot.
You wouldn't give up one of your presents to your brother?
He already has presents.
Oh,
So, is this for me?
Yep.
Well, it's not from him.
here, you can take the camera job back, Justin. You're more of a professional than I am. Sometimes I like using the camera when I catch you doing the wrong thing.
You sicko.
That's funny.
Oh, nice.
What?
Got me some jeans.
And a belt in it. So you can't make an excuse.
Are they girl jeans?
Oh, those your, is that your size though?
Yep. I'll wear them time to time, but that's pretty girly.
I knew
What
it.
is?
These-
Well, I'll take them back if you don't like them.
That's the style, Justin. John. They don't have. You don't open the button. You just.
Okay, John, if you don't like
Look.
them, I will return them. It's not a big deal.
Fly. Is that
That's
off
where you
brand?
put your
What?
wallet and stuff.
I know.
Fly
it's just-
paper? John, you a fly paper boy.
If you don't like them, I'll return them.
I like them. You left the tag on there.
She does that all the time. She wants you to know.
No, because I'm going to return them if you don't like them.
I like them. I just like the one jeans with the buttons in the back.
Okay, I'll return them.
No,
Okay, extend
no,
something
it's
else.
fine. I like it.
John, I just felt better if you not to wear them.
You need to put them
Where?
glasses on.
Hold on.
Okay, yeah, put your other glasses up too. The bottom of this country boy.
Mr. Juicy
And coming on center stage
is
is...
Juicy. Dad, that's gonna stick. That's gonna stick to you forever.
Oh, that's all right. I've been called worse.
Yeah, I think that's from Santa Claus.
Okay. Australian Skechers. I guess so.
Women's boots.
They do. That's what the box says.
Mom always wanted the girl.
Justin's close.
It's not shoes though.
I'm over it.
What's this? Is this something?
No. Why are you going around the present?
I'm not. Okay, so we got socks
Mom leave all the garbage.
Socks.
Her boots in there.
without holes.
I actually need the box, so
Okay.
I just
The
use it
box
to
can
wrap
have
it.
that. Nice. New Levi's?
Yeah, they're Levi's. Right there. And
Okay,
then,
let's go.
and then that's
Third
it.
time.
The socks and Levi's. So pants, socks, and Levi's.
Okay, go ahead and take the box from my room.
Taters.
I got
Right now?
sausage.
Right now, Mom?
Or whatever.
Grab another one.
Okay.
That's just.
Get these paper plates as much as possible.
John.
Signed up for the apprenticeship.
What?
No, you did.
Yep.
That's gonna be harder to learn than what you're doing now.
What I'm doing is easy. The stupid troubleshoots where the software doesn't work. And Habib, I can't understand over the phone in India. That's the
Mom,
frustrating
who's it? Mom, whose is this red one? It says, what is it?
I don't have to go out in the middle of nowhere trying to find a
Pull it out
signal.
in here.
That's the frustrating part. They have to go to drawer for it.
Anything you want some of this?
No, not right now.
Yeah, it still has 98 minutes on it. Here.
John,
Oh, I know what you did. You don't hit that, okay?
Okay, keep
Put
going.
your finger through there and everything.
And there's Juicy.
Look, look, John. They match,
Cool.
They match my boots.
They have another shirt that you can wear all the time.
Yeah. It's
He's
awesome.
been riding four-wheeler.
Yeah, in the snow. Because I need to fix my front axle before I do anything else. Hey, maybe I got that for Christmas too, front axle.
Yeah, you push it,
It's only
kid.
like $1.50.
Plus $20 shipping.
Well, then don't have it shipped. Oh my gosh.
Jackson, get off. Come here, Jackson.
No, look out.
Jackson wants to help.
Yeah, you want to help, Jackson? Okay, you can help. You can help with the next one.
I'm just trying to look for a ball.
Cozy.
Keep your pants
Do they
on.
fit you?
You're supposed to wear pants under them.
Ooh, we might need to get bigger.
No. Because look, it's not supposed to go all the way down. Because all this is going to go inside my boots. You
Okay.
know that.
No, I don't. Santa Claus knew that.
So take your pants off, try them on. Go ahead.
Oh, I'll just cut that.
Right there, drop them.
Yeah.
John, bring out any extra boxes over there.
Juicy too.
Just chugging too fast.
Oh, knee pad came out.
Oh, it's got knee pads?
Oh, yeah.
Man.
Something came out. Did it come out from there?
Hips? That looks like a hip pad.
It's a small hip pad.
Let me see.
I don't know.
Mm.
I'm confused. Daddy, help.
No, then. That's what it looks like.
Good work. Pick up the order.
There you go.
Huh?
Oh, hey. Thanks.
Oh, now you got.
Work pants.
Yeah.
Thigh pad.
I have to wear only tan though. We're not allowed to wear
Yeah, yeah.
jeans.
No.
Oh, Daddy.
Really?
I told you that numerous times. Yeah.
Okay, take those back and I'll get you tan. I'll go return for
What?
tan.
I can't wear where these work. You can only wear tan.
Okay, I can get tan, so just stick them back in the box. They had tan at the base. Okay, I'll just return them, okay?
So.
So I'm gonna be going there anyway, okay?
Okay. Spot on the inside. Tuck them in. It looks like right here.
Mango.
One on each side.
I'm going to kill you, man.
Okay, why don't you bring that big one in here, John? And be careful with it.
No, there's,
Oh, there it is.
there's gotta be somewhere right
Oh my
there.
gosh, that is.
Okay, Justin, here. Take this back. I'm gonna
Okay.
be careful with that.
Okay.
I want to see you with your boots on too, see?
I know, I want to too.
Hey, alright.
Yeah, now you have that. Happy.
You want a Samsung? Oh, nice. Wish we had power.
I know, right? Merry Christmas, you got a TV, but you can't use
Right
it.
straight on the wall in the bedroom there.
He gets a TV and we don't have any power.
That's funny. That's hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
Christmas with the good breaks.
Hey, don't turn it upside down, dude.
I know, I'm not.
Not quite as big as mine, but
But it'll grow over time.
you know, okay.
That's awesome. Oh, it's a 4K?
I don't know.
What?
Oh, no, yeah.
Is it really?
Oh, no, it says Series 4000.
Yeah, that's 4K.
It's not the
No.
same.
Oh, okay, whatever. Alright, no. Okay, I thought I was genius. Whatever. Prove me wrong.
Dead?
That was my idea.
Yeah.
I knew that's for sure.
John, I was so surprised when they came home with
You like
that.
that?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
you
you better
didn't
take care
believe.
of that,
We
okay?
haven't put it on the wall.
Yeah. No, you put it on those.
He's gonna nail it straight through to the wall.
Well, you go to Harbor Freight, buy one for $20.
Or at my work, 'cause we have mounts.
You have a mounts, man? Hey, this came with some mounts if you want to use the
So
suction
you
cup
don't
or
have
something.
my lace-up ropers at your house. My lace-up.
So I forgot to do this one now.
Not the sofa one, the little ones. The whole
Guys.
goes up the side of those. because
Oh, open that. That's for you.
They're 11 and a half. That's why I'm wondering.
Stop talking. It's my turn.
There's somewhere around here, Mom.
Well, then you could have used them because
Oh,
they're
what
good
if
boots.
these
I
are
just need meat for open them.
What were they?
Are you-
Fred.
Justin?
What?
I had it to you, just.
Justin Ropers. It's the name of boot, Justin.
Oh,
What's in that?
I don't know. I'm about to find out. Gosh dang it! We hold this.
No. Just open it.
I'm trying to.
Oh, Cindy, you're good at holding things.
Here.
Yeah, you hold that phone for me.
Please.
Seven.
You don't have to get every single minute.
Yeah, I do. It's called filming, Mom. It's called YouTube.
He's like the Goldberg's kid. What's his name?
Adam.
Adam?
I'm not that nerdy though. I don't know.
I don't know.
I mean, my voice is pretty spot on. Oh yeah! Ooh, even a wallet.
Yeah, that's from Scott Dale and Kathy Dale.
Oh really?
Well, Scott got it at work. He didn't want it.
I don't want something. Let's just give it to Justin.
Well, he's already got a military watch.
I know. You need a wallet, Dad.
What's those?
Gloves. Your gloves, Dad.
Dirt bikes?
Well, that's too bad we don't have any power. Well, we could watch I really want to watch Rainerland movie. Ooh, we got a new website we can go to.
What, Jackson? What,
Was I
Jackson?
supposed to cut them?
We'll try them on first to be sure they fit.
Oh, Mom, they're going to fit. I can tell just the too small now. You're not even holding it.
Yes, I am right here.
Look at the screen. Can it see me?
Yeah, now it can.
Yeah, exactly.
You gotta quit wagging back and forth, Cindy. You're wagging the camera like this.
No, Mango, get off me.
Next time, no drinking wine before Christmas.
Well, forget that. That's no fun. I have to get through wrapping somehow. Hey, you can call me Beverly, okay? Is that what her name is?
Yeah.
Goldberg? All right, John, come and get your bird. She's chewing on my finger.
Cool.
Get off me.
So snug, Dad.
Okay, hurry. Come and get her. She's hurting my hand.
She's not hurting you.
I can't hold this camera. She's bugging me. Grab her. Okay, good. Her claws, since she's gotten bigger, they're...
No, they are not.
Look, they're making me itch.
It's all in your mind.
I'll tell you what's in my mind. Juicy.
Which way did they go? Which way did they go?
Okay, Justin, here's your camera.
I want to see you. Where's your helmet?
My helmet's in there.
Cool. Is that all the presents?
Ooh, yeah.
That's enough. What are you talking about? Now I'm gonna let you guys clean up all this wrapping paper mess.
I want to see Justin in his complete
Your job.
uniform.
Oh, let's start in.
Oh, Justin.
You want
What?
so much?
Yeah, I know. Let me get into it.
All right, now.
Well, rats, I want to watch.